So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have a job notification for data analyst in the company Barclays. So for those who don't know about Barclays company, so Barclays is basically a financial and banking MNC. It has more than 10 plus year of experience in the market. So if you join as a fresher, you can get a good exposure over here. So coming to the basic details of the job notification, so your location is going to be Pune. They are hiring fresher as well as till 2 year of experience. I recently added job notification, so I encourage you to apply for it. Coming to the job description, so from here you can get the details of the company itself. You can pause the video and get it from here. So as of now they are hiring for the hybrid role, that means few days work from home and few days work from office. So here in the Barclays you will be acting more of a senior warehouse consultant where you will be assisting the client with their data requirements. Therefore, you must having a in-depth knowledge of data platforms, data models, and create and maintain data models. You must know how to perform impact assessment. You must know how to lead in the problem solving state and data architecture. Now, what you will be doing there? So, you will be defining functional and non-functional requirements with the stakeholders, identify and assess potential data sources, agree scope and priorities, carry out impact assessment and create their stories, define business transformation rules from source system through the consumer interface. You will be building and maintaining knowledge of data sources and what data is used by the particular consumer. You will be working with the data models and metadata in the line of business requirement. You have to validate whether data model is in the line with the projected data growth, non-functional requirements, and changing consumer patterns. So this is how your roles and responsibility will look like. Now coming to what they are looking for. So you must be self-driven, proactive, and demonstrates initiative with a strong problem-solving abilities. You must be strongly collaborative in nature with the ability to see the whole picture. You must be highly communicative and influential. Now coming to the technical skills. So you must know data modeling, data analysis skills in data warehouse type of environment. If your background is from data warehouse, you will get more preference. Your SQL and PL SQL skills must be strong. You must have a strong analytical skills. Now coming to the education qualification. So if you have done your graduation, you can apply here. So apply link I have mentioned in the description. You can check that. And for more related videos, you can subscribe my channel.